Well, guys, I know it's been a long time. Damn near a year. Don't get mad at me. But I'm sorry. Is this the right turn? Yes, it is. But it's all for good reasons, guys. Oh, shit, man. I just had to stop recording and focus on myself and my mental health. So I was at a down point in my life, a bad place, mentally. You know, I'm back now. A lot happened car-wise. We don't have the focus. And now we have a Camry. And this shit's nice though. Got eco mode, sport mode, normal mode, manual, eco. Oh, and I've already done a few things, guys, to the car, so I do apologize. I know I should have did that on camera. If you guys can't hear it until that's what we did. I like the camera though. Now this allows me to save up and get a project car too. And it's in just in eco mode. This should be pulling, man. Watch, I'll tell y'all. Let me throw it in normal. Stop signs. Alright, that's normal. Let's start in sport mode a little bit. Just a little bit. I can't really show you guys. We know how to fully cut traction on too. Look at this. Look at this. Why isn't it working? I think I have to put it in park before I can do it. On the back seat too, or a little table. This car pretty cool though. And I got a story on how I got it, and the one that I got and shit too. Last time I came in here, I had to focus. Actually, no, that's not true. Hello. Goodbye. Not on the first one. But I stopped. And then I stopped driving already. All these cameras do the picking up. These cameras do the picking up. Shit. This is why I don't need a camera. This is why I don't need a car with manual mode. But that's not why I came up here, Oh shit. I don't know if I should do. No, I can't do that right now. I just came up here to show you guys the car, to be honest. The car's nice, I like it. Oh, I gotta get a few audio clips for you guys too. Oh man, this is it, guys. This is it. It's 2023 Camry SE. I have done a few things. Just the carbon fiber. I love the mirror caps. Just the mirror caps. Got tint in the front and back. Hot dog water. Gotta change the plate. I got my new plates already. We did do a muffler delete and we got a different resonator, guys. Can't show you guys from right here. But I like the car. I like it. I want to freaking. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Somebody's fucking up tape. Oh, but I want to freaking lower it. For sure, want to lower the car. This little sound clip. So it is not straight piped. Oh shit, I'm fucking up. Eco mode, this is eco mode. This is eco. Here's normal. And here's sport. Car. I got nothing to shit on, wise. I can't shit on the car, I like it. Oh, and what happened with the car was when I first bought it, it was stolen. So they stole it off the lot. And the person took it for a joyride all the way to Corona and fucked up the rim. Fucked up the rim and the mirror cap. So they had to replace the rim and mirror cap for me. Plus, they also discounted it. But yeah, man. I marked the bug. I thought it was a scratch for a second. I gotta wash it again, man. I like it. What should I do after the mirror caps? Let's see if I can get the resonator for you guys right here. Sorry guys, can't get it for you. But this little thing, pull it. And it's a 4-cylinder. Clean up the inside again too. Alright, so guys, how should I have the frog? Like this, so it's facing us, or like this? I got 3. I have the double-sided tapes. Or like that. So look, don't the car look good with the freaking tints? Oh man, goddamn. Whew. Like, look at that. Look, I'm actually happy, a little bit happier now too. We'll be picking up on bugs for sure. Oh, I think this might be one of my next things. If they sell carbon fiber mirror caps, I'm gonna cop one of those. Or should I get a phone stand? Phone holder. Probably need the phone holder more. But amen. God bless. The person stole this car off the lot. It had 0 miles. They took that bitch for a joyride to Corona. And I only got this because I was supposed to get a Corolla hatchback XSE, a gray, a silver one actually with black accents and everything. That shit looked beautiful. And they sold it, but they felt bad because they was a fuck up on their part. Because me and the guy were already talking about it the day before. I already test drove it. All I had to do was sign the paperwork. He even went and we went to go fill it up. That's how ready we were for that car. And then we got back and he was like, yeah, sorry, someone signed off on the paperwork. They already signed off on it. And I was like, bro, what do you mean? I was hurt. I'm not gonna cap, I was stupid hurt. So how should I have the frog? I'm thinking like that. I'm thinking like that. Or like that. Or like that. Like that, huh? I'm gonna do it like that. Yeah, I don't give a fuck what y'all say. I'm gonna do the frog like that when I get home. Let me check it out before I fully jump on it. I'm gonna have to do it like that. Everyone gets the mad faces and happy faces, pillows. That's what I'm getting. A fucking frog. I don't like frogs, but I was in the store and I seen it. And I had to cop it. It looked funny as hell. It's the homie. You know what I'm saying? Look at him. Post it up. Alright, so this is in case you guys stay till after the video to the late end game. Just the end of the video. That goddamn sunlight. So I need the phone holder. A tripod. Woo! Go to that spot. Stash coming in nice, you know what I'm saying? We did get a new tattoo. I ended up getting the Naruto one. Ooh, that shit. I gotta go back. I know I gotta go back. That shit looks sick in the camera. This is the end of the video. If you're not 18, get the fuck out. I really don't know why you're here. I'm gonna actually throw this at the beginning. But if you're 18, what are you doing? Bro, go to school. Go back to what? That's on the lowest temp though. That's why I was able to eat that shit. That's why. 2.9 or 3. I'll go 3.0. This bad as a freaking sub. If you guys don't know, you gotta go try these out. This brand. This is what they look like on a full setup. But this is one of the best brands I would low-key say I fuck with. This is what they look like a full setup. This is their new bat. This is their old bat. Hey, this is their OG bat, the old school one. I had this for like 3-4 years. But it looks like this, a full setup. Yeah. There's wax in there, but that's one thing I don't like about the cards. That brand, you can't kill them. Like, that shit's gonna have to sit. And or I'm gonna have to use a lighter, and why do I need to take the extra time? Yeah, my stash is starting to look nice. I've been hitting the gym too, so your boy's swole. This is oh my god, this is a 3.0. But yeah, I'm not even on that new year, new me shit, cause It's already almost halfway through the year, so I can't say that. And don't look at my hands, they're gassing me. I know I'm ashy. Damn. I don't even want to cut it up anymore. It's not even good after that. Shit, guys. I'm schmicked. I gotta go back for my tattoo, though. Stomach tattoos hurt like a bitch. That shit hurt more than this one. I'm not gonna cap. I don't know what to say anymore. Look, you kinda stuck. Well, changed my mind. This is going back at the end of the video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment. We're actually coming back. I promise this time. Ew. I promise this time, no bullshit. All aside, we're actually gonna be making a comeback and doing and uploading and grinding and being consistent. I want to at least post 1 or 2 videos a week.